What if I told you that you are only 6 steps away from transforming your life? Whatever your goal is, losing weight, improving your finances, learning a new skill, or achieving a big dream, success is within your reach. It doesn't matter who you are or where you are now. What really matters is your willingness to act consistently and strategically. Maybe you've tried before and failed, or maybe you don't even know where to start. The good news, there's a clear path. This method, tested and proven for over 10 years, was created to simplify your journey and show that great achievements are not just for extraordinary people, but for anyone who is willing to face challenges and keep going even in the face of difficulties. As Mel Robbins says, you don't have to be special to achieve great things, you just have to do what most people don't. This guide is more than just a set of steps. It's an invitation to challenge yourself and prove to yourself that you are capable of turning dreams into reality. The only question that remains is, are you ready to step out of your comfort zone and take control? If so, get ready. Let's explore the 6 simple and effective steps that have already helped thousands of people achieve lasting results. Step 1. Decide what you want. What is it? Clearly define your goal. Why is it important? A well-defined goal is more than just a dream. It is something concrete, measurable, and achievable. Practical examples. I want to lose 10 kilos and be able to run 5 kilometers without stopping. I want to get out of debt and build up an emergency fund of £10,000. Step 2. Write down your goal. What is it? Put your goal on paper. Why is it important? By writing, you turn desire into something tangible and give your brain a focal point. Practical examples. Lose 10 kilos by the 31st of December 2024 with diet and exercise 4 times a week. Save £500 a month to reach £10,000 in savings next year. Step 3. Find the formula. What is it? Look for strategies already used successfully by others. Why is it important? Modeling the success of those who have already achieved their goals avoids wasting time and energy. Practical examples. To lose weight, use proven methods such as balanced diets. To organize your finances, follow plans like the 50-30-20 rule. Step 4. Execute the repetitions. What is it? Do what needs to be done, even if it's not exciting. Why is it important? Great achievements come from small actions performed consistently. Practical examples. Prepare healthy meals every week and exercise regularly. Track all your spending and review your budget weekly. Step 5. Make it easy and fun. What is it? Find ways to simplify and make the process more enjoyable. Why is it important? When the path is light and enjoyable, it is easier to maintain consistency. Practical examples. Combine physical exercise with music or train with friends. Use finance apps and celebrate small milestones in financial control. Step 6. Don't give up. What is it? Persevere even in the face of failure. Why is it important? Progress is not linear, and what matters is to keep going. Practical examples. Did you fall off your diet? Resume the next day without guilt. Did you spend more than you should have? Adjust the plan and move on. The secret to success is simplicity. Define, plan, execute, and persevere. Great achievements start with small steps taken consistently. Regardless of the goal, these 6 steps are a proven guide to turning ideas into reality. Now it's your turn to act.